Good day, everyone. I want to share a tool with you that I really like. It's a plier called Engineer, made in Japan, PZ-58. What's really cool about that one is that it's got some grip. If you look closely there, it's got some grip when you want to grab a round screw that is stripped, and I'd like to demonstrate to you how it works. So I screw the round head screw in there in a piece of wood. I'm gonna try to extract it by turning it with the plier. Try to do this with one hand so you just get a good bite out of it, and then they're amazing. I mean, this is a soffit screw, and it's quite long. Like, it's impressive. And I'll show you how long it is. I'll take it out with my drill. And it was deep in there. So, very cool pliers. They're not very big, but it could get you out of trouble. Alright,